Hello and welcome back to week 3 of our unique online adventure. I hope you had a great holiday weekend, though my days are starting to blend together, so I hope yours are not doing the same. That being said, let's jump into the expectations for week 3 and looking forward. Now, hopefully you all have started your biotech project that I assigned last week. If you have not, you really need to go back and look at week 2 on the Moodle page. So go on Moodle to week 2, click week 2. There's an intro video. There's the project instructions and the topic instructions. It's not a very long project at all, but it would have helped if you had started it last week. Now, that being said, the main goal of this week is to finish and submit that project. So this project, the video of the project, and yes, you're recording a video for this one just like the last one, is due at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday the 16th. You can refer to week 2 if you can't remember the details. Everything you need is there. You need to email me that video. You can use the same recording software you did last time. Some of you used Screencastify, some of you recorded with phones, some of you did voiceovers, whatever works for you to fit the timeline. The last thing you need to do is watch an Edpuzzle that'll give you a nice introduction to the evolution unit. This is called The Making of a Theory on Darwin, Wallace, and Natural Selection. This is the precursor to our evolution unit, which will last about 4 or 5 weeks, and then we'll move on to ecology since we seem to be in this for the long haul. So those are the main expectations for week 3. Get your project turned in via email. Make sure it's a video, not just slides. And I do want to see your slides in some form, so if you do a voiceover, make sure you send me your slides as well. And then go to edpuzzle.com or click the link below this one to get to the Edpuzzle you need. So if you look under week 3, there's only one link right now because I'm currently recording this video, which will be there as well. But the Making of the Theory link, Edpuzzle, if you click that, it will take you directly to edpuzzle.com to your needed Edpuzzle. So video, Edpuzzle. That's it. Next week we're going to jump into the Intro to Evolution and get through that, talk about some important vocabulary, and then really come up with some evidences and forces of evolution that guide that in the next and following weeks. So I hope you guys have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you're staying healthy and happy, and I'll see you soon.